Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix Wi-Fi calling not working issue on Samsung A37. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and click on this power icon and click on restart. Again click on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so again open quick settings panel and turn on flight mode. After turn on flight mode, so just wait 10 to 15 seconds and again turn off flight mode and you will check your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on software update. Click on download and install. After click on download and install, you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is factory data reset. Click on settings app and click on general management. Click on reset. Scroll down and click on factory data reset. Scroll down and click on reset. After click on reset, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix Wi-Fi calling not working issue on Samsung A37. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.